Hi friends, Naji here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will be discussing on Vertex AI. So first, let's understand what is Vertex AI. So Vertex AI is Google Cloud's comprehensive machine learning platform that brings together all ML tools and workflows into a unified environment. So it contains generative AI, machine learning, and ML ops, everything under one umbrella. Okay, so few advantages: it actually provide a unified platform, already discussed it, then scalability, AutoML capability, then it provide the custom training, and it's also provide ML of integrations, and it provide the cost optimization. Okay, so these are the few advantages of Vertex AI. And if you look on common use cases, we can see this can be used in like any other machine learning. Like we can use in computer vision, natural language processing, recommendation, and predictive analytics, and the anomaly detection. Okay, so we can see how can we create an account in GCP and how can connect to Vertex AI using our Python SDK. Okay, for that, first what we can do, let me show you my Visual Studio Code first. Second. Okay, so this is my Visual Studio Code. What I have done, I have created a requirement.txt file. Here we need to install this particular SDK. Okay, it's called Google Cloud AI platform. So this helps us to provide a necessary packages to connect with our Vertex AI. And I have already installed that. You guys can use pip install -r requirement text command can be run to execute this. Okay, then I have my notebook is up and running here. So let's go back to our Chrome and try to see how can we create a GCP account. Okay, for that let me select this. Okay, here I can see I can go to the just search for GCP, then you will get a Google Cloud. Just click on this. Okay, so let's see, if you are a first time user, you will get a 300 free credits will be provided to you. Okay, so it will be more than enough to do POCs. So let's click on the Google Cloud, and you guys can create account, which is a very easy process. Okay, I'm not going to that process, but it is very easy. Okay, so then after the account creation, you will get a $300 credit. Then go to the console. So in the console, you will get a if you click on this menu. So let me show it again. So if you click on this menu, you will get a set of project can be listed here. Okay, you can create a new project, otherwise go with the default project. I have already selected one project, so I will go with this project. Okay, here I can see project name can be seen, type can be seen, and the ID can be seen here. Okay, now once I have here, I need to create a service account. This service account will be used in our Python code. Okay, so let's go back and create a service account. For that, select here. We can see here, we can see IAM. Here we can see IAM and admin. Select service account. So here we can see multiple service account that I have created. So go back and create a new one. There is an option, there is a plus button will be there. Just go and click on the service. So let me click on the button. I'm going to say demo live 123. This is my account. This is final demo. I can give and create and continue. Let's select Vertex AI administrator role. Continue. Okay, so if you look on here, we will get the account that we have, service account that we have created. Okay, now let me go and click on this three dot in the right side. Let's select this. Go to manage keys, add key, create new key, select JSON, just download it. Okay, so once the download is done, you will get the key in your download folder. I'm copying it and I'm going to place it in my root folder. So let me do it in my root folder. Okay, so it's there. So that part is done. Now we need to do one more thing. Okay, so if something has to be work in GCP, we have to enable the particular API. Okay, for that what we can do, just go to Google Cloud, then here check for API and services, enable API services, click on this enable APIs and services, search for Vertex AI. We will get Vertex AI API. This has to be selected, Vertex AI API. Okay, so in your case this may be disabled, just ensure that that is enabled. So here you can see it is enabled, so I'm good. Okay, ensure that that is done. So if this is enabled, then we are good to do the coding part. Okay, so let me minimize this. Okay, so in the coding part we already installed the necessary packages, right? Now only thing is that we need to import few functions and the packages. I can do transport dot request. I can import the request here. So this is a basic code that we will do whenever we create and whenever we try to connect with our Vertex AI. Okay, so this is the first time I will be writing this, but in our coming videos I will be just copy and paste this particular cell. Okay, here we have the service account. I can do the credentials, then let's set the API key path. API key path can be connected from here. Let's select the path, copy relative path, paste it here, credentials. Let's create a credential. Here I can say credentials dot from service account file. Here I need to mention the file name. My file name will be API key path, and I need to mention the scope here. Okay, so this is the default one, so let me copy and paste it here. Not this one. I'm copying and I am pasting here. Okay, the credential part is done. Now we need two more things. I can set a project ID. So in our case there will be multiple project IDs will be there, right? So we need to specifically say which project that we need to connect, and also we need to specifically say which region that we need. Okay, so for the time being I will be setting the region as a US central one. Okay, now I need to get the project ID. So if you're remembering, I have shown you from where we will get the project ID, right? So let's click on this project, and here we will get the project ID. Okay, it's accidentally selected, so just go and copy this. Let's copy, go back to our Visual Studio Code, and this is our project ID. Now execute it. Next step is very simple. We need only a couple more line of code, then we will be done with our coding part. So I am importing the Vertex AI. Let's initialize this with our project. I can mention my project here. Project ID can be my location, will be my region. Then I can pass my credentials here. Okay, so we have initialized our Vertex AI. Okay, now we need to import the generative model, then we can write a query. So for that I can use from Vertex AI, not Vertex key, Vertex AI dot generative model. Let's import generative model. Okay, here I can create a model. So let's select a model. I can say model dot sorry, not model dot, here I can say generative model, and I need to pass Let me maximize this. Okay, here I need to pass the model name. So if you look on this, here I need to pass the model name. So from where I will get the model name and the model details. For that, just Google it. Here let me go to Google just to see, like I can ask about give me Gemini models in GCP. Search for it. Okay, so when I click on that link, it will show me the Google models available. So here we can see Gemini Flash models are there. Gemini 2.0 Flash is there. I'm going to select this model. Okay, flashlight. Let me select this. Okay, so this is my model ID. So I can easily copy and paste the model ID here. Okay, so the model execution is completed. Now I can ask some queries. Okay, for that, let's maximize this one. You can select res, you can say model dot generate content. I can ask what is the capital of US? Capital of US. Let's say execute it. The execution is completed. Let's print the res. So we can see a lot of response can be seen. So this is the response, actual response. Then the other things are some metadata information. To see only the result, I can use the result.text. Okay, now now we can see how can we implement the streaming. Okay, the streaming is also very simple. So I can use generate content. I can ask write a poem about I can say apple in 100 characters. Okay, now just set stream is equal to true. Stream is equal to true. Okay, so if you type this, we will not get the result. For that, once it is a streaming, we need to loop through it. Okay, I can say for r in res result, I can say print r dot text. So it's in progress. Here we can see data is streaming and we are getting in a one by one fashion. Okay, to understand this maybe I can increase to maybe 500 characters, maybe 600 characters, then you will get a little bit more good feeling. So you can see it is streaming one by one. Okay, so in this way we can easily connect to Vertex AI and we can generate content. Okay, so I believe we have done what is planned for in this video. So in our coming videos we will be discussing more about Vertex AI and MLOps kind of things, all those things that we can discuss in our coming videos. So that's it. Please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.